Alright, so we're at the pond. We got a beautiful sunrise. Let's see. Check that out. This will move to here. Meanwhile, we got a 6-footer coming. Just curious what we're doing. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Yeah, I should probably stand back. Things are faster than you'd think. Oh. So anyways, while this is chilling, I'm gonna be fishing this pond. Yeah. Huh. It looks like a piranha. Alright, so first fish off the species list. It's like smallmouth buffalo. Oh. Now there's that 9-footer again. Why don't y'all drop in the comments what I should name him? Ah, that's creepy. Well, I didn't catch nothing this time, but I'm gonna be out here tomorrow and see if I catch something then. We're back at the hole. I'm gonna try putting little hot dog shavings down there, get it chummed up. And I'm gonna drop this down here. Anyways, while this is waiting, I'm gonna be over here. I just saw a bobber jump. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna need to reach in and grab him. Oh, there he is. Alright, got him. Hey, no. Dang. It's a sewer cat. Oh, don't. Dude. Another one. All right. Yeah. Come on. Come here, kitty cat. Little toilet paper. Not really. Spider web. Anyways, he goes back. Oh yeah. Good morning. This is a good one. Finally getting some luck with the sewer fishing. It's working out pretty fun. I'm gonna see if I can't hook into any spotted gar with this jerk bait. Come on. It's a cast net. Alright, thank y'all for watching. This is a real fun video. And if you enjoyed it as much as I did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.